Welcome to this overview of the Milesight AI TrueColor bullet camera. This is a sophisticated security solution that combines advanced imaging technology with intelligent threat detection. Throughout this session, we'll explore how its innovative features work together to deliver reliable, full-color surveillance in any lighting condition. The Q-series camera packs impressive hardware. It features a large 1.18-inch sensor with an f1.0 aperture that's exceptionally wide, allowing maximum light capture. The AI ISP, or Image Signal Processor, intelligently enhances images in real time. It supports multiple resolutions up to 8 megapixels, giving you flexibility in deployment. The smart hybrid light system is central to its design. It adapts between infrared and full-color modes. Built-in audio and advanced analytics like VCA 2.0 make it a complete security platform, and the rugged IP67 and IK10 ratings mean it handles harsh outdoor environments. The smart hybrid light is where TrueColor technology truly shines. In quiet periods, infrared lights activate silently, delivering clear, monochrome images for efficient 24/7 monitoring. The moment an event is detected, say unauthorized movement, the camera instantly switches to full-color lighting, revealing vivid details that help identify threats. Simultaneously, built-in red and blue strobe lights flash, and the speaker emits an audio warning, actively deterring intruders. Once the threat passes, the system intelligently reverts to IR mode, conserving energy and maintaining non-intrusive surveillance. This adaptive approach balances visibility, deterrence, and operational efficiency. VCA 2.0 represents a significant leap in video content analysis. With an AI recognition range extending to 75 meters and accuracy exceeding 99%, it dramatically reduces false alarms, a critical issue in security operations. The enhanced chip processing enables real-time threat detection with minimal false positives. Complementing this is M-Sense technology, which goes beyond simple motion detection. It counts people and vehicles, generates heat maps to show traffic patterns, and captures faces for back-end investigation and smart search. Together, these analytics transform raw video into actionable intelligence, helping security teams optimize operations and respond to genuine threats faster. The Milesight Q-series cameras represent a comprehensive surveillance solution designed for seamless integration with multiple platforms. These cameras offer deep compatibility with Milesight's own software ecosystem, while also supporting industry-standard protocols like ONVIF and specialized integrations through the Milesight One API. This flexibility means you can choose your preferred video management system without being locked into a single vendor. The Q-series cameras excel at platform flexibility. They integrate natively with Milesight's own software for a fully optimized experience. For users of network optics and AccentSoft systems, Milesight provides dedicated API and plugin support, ensuring deep functionality. And if you're using any other video management system that supports ONVIF, the open standard for IP video, these cameras work seamlessly. This three-tier approach gives you genuine freedom in choosing your surveillance infrastructure. Milesight offers 4 distinct models in the Q-series, each tailored to different surveillance needs. The naming convention is systematic. All start with MSC for Milesight camera, followed by Q for the series designation. The H indicates smart hybrid lights, a combination of infrared and white warm illumination. Y denotes speaker and dual microphone capability. P means PoE power support, and GX represents the platform generation, with G1 being the first generation. Understanding this naming helps you quickly identify which features each model includes. Image sensor size directly impacts light sensitivity and image quality. The CQ4468 and CQ8268 both use a 1.18-inch sensor, larger sensors that capture more light, achieving an exceptional 0.008 lux in color mode. The CQ5468 and CQ8168 use slightly larger sensors at 1/2.65 and 1/2.7 inches respectively, with slightly higher minimum illumination requirements. However, all models achieve 0 lux performance when the built-in illuminator is activated, meaning they can operate in complete darkness. This makes them ideal for 24/7 surveillance in any lighting condition. The smart hybrid light system is a standout feature that combines multiple illumination technologies. The infrared component operates at 850 nanometers and reaches up to 40 meters, providing invisible night vision capability. The white warm light extends to 30 meters and offers visible illumination for better color reproduction in low light. Additionally, the cameras include dedicated red and blue flashing lights for alerting or warning purposes. You can control these lights automatically based on ambient light levels or manually override them as needed, giving you precise control over your surveillance environment. Dory distance is critical for understanding what a camera can actually see. Detection means spotting movement or presence, the longest range. Observation lets you see general activity and direction. Recognition means identifying what type of object it is, like distinguishing a person from a vehicle. Identification is the most demanding, reading a face or license plate. Each model and lens combination delivers different Dory performance. For example, the CQ8268 with a 4mm lens achieves 111 meter detection, 43.5 meters observation, 22 meters recognition, and 11 meters identification. Choosing the right model depends on your specific surveillance requirements. The Q series supports multiple simultaneous video streams, each optimized for different purposes. The primary stream delivers the highest resolution, ranging from 2688 by 1520 on the CQ4468 up to 4K at 3840 by 2160 on the CQ8168 and CQ8268. All primary streams run at 30 FPS in 60 Hz regions or 25 FPS in 50 Hz regions, providing smooth motion capture. The secondary stream uses lower resolutions for bandwidth-efficient remote viewing or archival. The tertiary stream offers flexible options for specific applications. This multi-stream architecture lets you balance image quality, bandwidth usage, and storage requirements based on your deployment needs. Modern video compression is essential for managing storage and bandwidth. The cameras support H.265 and H.264 standards, with the Plus variants offering enhanced efficiency. H.265 is newer and more efficient, reducing file sizes by roughly 50% compared to H.264 while maintaining quality. MJPEG is also supported for compatibility with legacy systems. The bitrate is fully adjustable from 16 kilobits per second for ultra-low bandwidth scenarios up to 16 megabits per second for maximum quality. You can choose constant bitrate for predictable bandwidth usage or variable bitrate to optimize quality while adapting to network conditions. The image processing pipeline in these cameras is sophisticated. Backlight compensation handles scenes with bright backgrounds, while highlight compensation manages overexposed areas. Dual noise reduction, both 2D and 3D, cleans up grainy footage, especially important in low light. Auto white balance maintains color accuracy across changing lighting. Defog cuts through atmospheric haze, and lens distortion correction straightens the wide-angle view. Anti-flicker eliminates the flicker from fluorescent lights, and deblur sharpens moving objects. Beyond these, you get privacy masking to obscure sensitive areas, flexible image rotation for any mounting angle, and on higher-end models, region of interest processing that applies different enhancement levels to specific zones. These cameras aren't just for video, they include comprehensive audio capabilities. The dual microphone setup provides stereo recording and better directional audio pickup. The built-in speaker delivers 95 decibels of sound pressure at 10 centimeters, loud enough to broadcast warnings or announcements. Audio compression supports multiple standards for compatibility with different systems. Sampling rates range from 8 kHz for voice-only applications up to 48 kHz for higher fidelity. The bitrate is adjustable from 16 to 256 kilobits per second. Most importantly, the cameras support two-way audio communication, allowing operators to speak through the camera. They're also SIP and VoIP compatible, enabling integration with phone systems for emergency communication. VCA Video Content Analysis version 2.0 brings intelligent video analytics directly into the camera. Intrusion detection alerts you when someone enters a protected zone. Region entrance and exiting track movement across defined boundaries. Advanced motion detection is smarter than basic motion, filtering out false alarms from wind or shadows. Line crossing detects when objects cross a virtual line you've drawn. Loitering identifies people or vehicles that linger in an area longer than expected. Object left and object removed detect unattended items or missing objects. These analytics run on the camera itself, reducing the load on your recording server and enabling real-time alerts without sending all video to a central system. Beyond basic detection, the cameras offer sophisticated behavioral analysis. Object counting automatically tallies how many people or vehicles cross a line, with optional classification to distinguish between them. You can enable regional people counting across up to 4 separate detection areas. Heat maps provide statistical analysis showing you the busiest zones within your surveillance area, invaluable for understanding foot traffic patterns and optimizing facility layout. Face capture extracts facial images in real time and can snapshot them for integration with third-party facial recognition or identification systems. Together, these tools transform raw video into actionable intelligence about how people and vehicles move through your space. Event management lets you define what triggers alerts and how the system responds. Basic events include motion detection, tamper detection when the camera's moved or covered, audio alarms, and external inputs from door sensors or panic buttons. When an event occurs, the camera can take multiple actions simultaneously: upload snapshots via FTP or email, trigger local recording, activate external relays, play audio warnings, send alerts to SIP phones, or send HTTP notifications to your monitoring center. The system also tracks exceptions, network disconnections, failed recordings, SD card errors, ensuring you're aware of any system issues. One-click disarm lets you quickly disable alerts during maintenance or false alarm situations. Storage flexibility is critical for continuous surveillance. The cameras support micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte for local backup recording. ANR, automatic network replenishment, is a smart feature that continues recording locally when the network is down, then automatically uploads footage once connectivity is restored. You can also stream directly to NAS storage using NFS or SMB/CFS protocols. On the network side, these cameras speak virtually every protocol in the IP surveillance world. They support both IPv4 and IPv6 for future-proofing, RTSP and RTMP for video streaming, HTTP and HTTPS for secure web access, and DDNS for accessing cameras behind dynamic IP addresses. Advanced features include VLAN support for network segmentation, 8021X for enterprise authentication, QoS for bandwidth prioritization, and full SSL TLS 1.2 encryption for secure communication. Power flexibility is a major advantage. All models support Power over Ethernet, PoE, meaning a single network cable provides both data and power, simplifying installation. They also accept 12-volt DC power for situations where PoE isn't available. Power consumption is remarkably efficient, ranging from 3.5 to 5 watts at minimum and peaking at 9 to 11.5 watts depending on the model and power source. This efficiency means you can deploy many cameras on a single PoE switch. The cameras operate reliably from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, covering extreme climates from Arctic to desert. They handle 95% humidity without condensation, making them suitable for wet environments. The IP67 rating means they're dust-tight and can be submerged in water up to 1 meter. The IK10 rating provides impact protection against vandalism. 4 kilovolt surge protection guards against electrical transients. Milesight provides 3 distinct mounting accessories to suit different installation scenarios. The pole mount is compact at 625 grams and fits poles between 105 and 127 millimeters in diameter, typical for parking lot and perimeter installations. The corner mount is heavier at 900 grams and designed for mounting on external building corners, providing a clean aesthetic. The junction box mount is the most compact at 620 grams and conceals electrical connections while deterring tampering. All cameras feature full pan, tilt, and rotation adjustment, 360 degrees of pan, 90 degrees of tilt, and 360 degrees of rotation, allowing you to aim the camera in virtually any direction. The metal casing ensures durability and heat dissipation in outdoor environments. These cameras meet rigorous international standards. EMC certification ensures they don't interfere with other equipment and resist electromagnetic interference. FCC compliance confirms they meet North American standards. CE-LVD safety certification validates electrical safety. CEROHS environmental compliance means they're manufactured without hazardous substances. The IP67 and IK10 ratings we discussed earlier are also formally certified. Milesight backs these cameras with a 3-year warranty as standard, with an optional 5-year extended warranty available. This level of certification and warranty support reflects Milesight's confidence in product quality and their commitment to customer satisfaction.